Editing text in AutoCAD is real easy. We've got some single line text here, VTC and Sean Bryant. What I'm going to do is change the company name there, so I'll double click on VTC. It highlights it in the in-place text editing tool there, and all I've got to do is type the new text. So I'll put my company there, let's say, instead. There's my company there, CAD-FM Consultants. Let's put a backslash there and also put VTC, like that. Enter once, it'll ask me if I want to do another line. Enter again, job done. That's single line text editing like that. It's so quick and so easy. Now, multi-line text, it's exactly the same process. I might actually zoom in a bit here though, because that's quite small. Let's zoom in there. Again, look, it highlights, double click on it. The text editor appears like so. The text editor tab appears on the ribbon. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to change the color there from by layer. I'm going to change that to red. So all my text goes red. What I'll also do there maybe is take the numbering off, like so. Looks a bit weird now, so let's put the numbering back on again. And there we are. Unfortunately, I had notes selected there, so what I need to do there is go back there, backspace on the keyboard. That updates automatically, just like Word does. So I click on close, close the text editor. I've edited my multi-line text. Now, let's do an extents zoom there on the navigate panel. That's in the View tab. What about this text here though? Let's zoom in on that viewport a little and double click inside the viewport. I can actually edit the text that is already in the model space just by double clicking in the viewport here. I'm actually looking through a hole now in the layout tab into model space itself. So I can edit any of these objects in the model space like that. Now, yes, that's okay, but be very careful. This text here is annotative. So if you're going to edit that text there, when you do click on it, you can still edit it as single line text. So what we'll do, we'll change that to general arrangement, like so. There's general arrangement there. But the text has moved along. So I press enter once, press enter twice. What I'll have to do is move it, yeah? So I need to make sure that I just click on the right thing. Can you see I've clicked on the line there? I don't want that. I want the text, just there. Click on the grip. Just drag along a little bit like so, and then you'll notice that things start to go a little bit haywire because text is on top of text. But if I hit escape and go into the model tab, you can see there, look, it's much smaller. Let's zoom in, edit it here like so. Did you see that flash there? That's showing you how big the text was in the actual viewport in the layout tab. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to change it. Let's just highlight the text here. Take the scale out, like so. I'm going to right click and cut that out. And then what I'm going to do is go here, press enter, like that, and then select the annotation again, like so. So when I press enter, look, I can't put that other bit of text in there. But what I can do is I can change it. So I'll press escape there just to make sure I haven't got any commands selected. And what I'll do, I'll right click and I'll paste it. It's single line text. I'll drop it there, and there it is there. Use the grip to move it. Like so. Now let's check. That's annotative. That isn't. So where I've cut it and pasted it, I need to click there, right click, properties, make it annotative, and say yes. Like so. So that says yes there. Annotative scale, I need to add that 1 to 10 to make sure that that is also annotative in that 1 to 10 viewport. So I'll OK that like that. So that's done now. They're both annotative. Close the properties palette. Now I'll just hit escape to deselect. Go here, and you can see now, look, they just need moving around. So I can click there now. Click in there, move that one along. Take it up a tad as well to about there. You can see there that the object snaps have kicked in. So I need to tidy this up somehow. How do I do it? Well, I hit escape there. Double click outside that viewport and make sure I do it in the model tab. You'll see there, look, it looks a bit weird at the moment because that looks fine, doesn't it? That's because I've tweaked it in the viewport. It looks fine there, but in there it doesn't. So I need to zoom in a bit more, double click inside the viewport, take this piece of text and just tidy it up like so. Just drop it there. There we go. Hit escape, double click outside the viewport before I zoom, and there we are. it's all working fine. So that's editing your text in AutoCAD 2010, utilizing single line text, multi-line text, and annotative text.